As a working mom, life gets crazy. It's on the go, and sometimes I'm going from home to work, to the playground, and after school activities, and I have to take my work with me sometimes. And I've got this cute little one in the morning, so I'm starting my day, and guess what? I've got a solution that's gonna help me take everything on the go simply and easily. Deflecto is launching a brand new mobile laptop desk. Check it out here. So I can get some work done while I'm also feeding baby Bella at the same time. Oh, is that yummy? It makes life easy. It folds up, easy on the go. Check email, feed, go. I'm gonna get packed up and head to the office now. I love that my mobile lap desk works great when I'm in the studio because I'm often switching from either sitting to standing, so being able to adjust the height of my computer screen from keeping it flat to multiple adjustments when it is standing up makes it nice to be able to switch up how I work. For your convenience, there's even a mouse pad included. You can easily take it on and off and store it in one of the many pouches. And when you need to use your cell phone, there's a built-in cell phone holder. Slide in your cell phone, adjust to fit your phone size, use your phone, and when you're done, slide it back in. And then, when it's time to craft or head to lunch, I can easily pack everything up nice and neatly and stay organized, and even take this with me to lunch. Some days, I have to work through lunch. And I don't want to do that at my desk. So when I want to get away for lunch, it's easy to pack up my mobile laptop desk, have everything I need, head down to the cafe, unzip, pop it open, and be able to work wherever I am while I enjoy a snack or a lunch. All right, Lily, go play with your friends, and remember, play nice. Even when the day ends with Lily at the park, I can still open my laptop desk and work on my lap. I love how it's so mobile. Even when you don't have a table, you can work anywhere you are. Gosh, everywhere you look, there's a pocket and a folder to keep all of your things organized. I love how easy it is to stay organized wherever you're working.
Mommy, can I please have a snack?
Of course, we always need room for snacks. So I've got a pocket for that. Here you go, Lily. And guess what? There's even room for snacks for me. I told you, pockets and storage spaces everywhere you go. I love how easy it is with my crazy life, from working in the studio to doing activities with my kids. I'm a working mom on the go, and the Deflecto mobile laptop desk is definitely an amazing help to make my life easier. You can get in on the action too. Deflecto has an Indiegogo campaign going on right now to help launch the mobile laptop desk. You can be one of the first people to get your hands on the Deflecto laptop mobile desk. I'll post a link in the comments so you can check it out. Thanks so much for joining me on my crazy but now organized workday.